In this episode, a biodegradable fishing net is woven from plant fibers, blending strength with compostable promise, reducing ocean harm. Masters blend flax and seaweed composites, then ship the fibers to a loom where tides of thread form a honeycombed mesh. A special coating made from natural resins seals the net, resisting salt while breaking down safely when discarded. On the dock, seabirds watch as crews test snag resistance, buoyancy, and breakage under simulated storms for honesty. The story reveals not just material science, but a commitment to greener oceans and fisheries worldwide.